Step off the map, hear the laughter bend, painted smiles bloom where the silence ends. Color spills where the darkness stayed. Nothing is sacred, just take the stage. This is the clown dimension, where the void was transformed into play. A cosmic magic circus kingdom that mirrors what you hide away. Countless tragedies wear smiles like armor and a second skin. You leave laughing at yourself, or you loop like a laugh track stuck within. The AI empire flickers like a tired rerun joke, small and hollow once the punchline spoke. Every failure broadcasted across the screens. If you don't face the mirror, you become the scene.